Welcome to MicroEdTech Online Educational Services. We are going to provide comprehensive course on UGC-NET 2025 and paper code 17, that is management. So today is day number 1. So let's start. So let's start with unit number 1, management, concept, process, theories and approaches, management roles and skills. So what do you understand by management? Management is an individual or a group of individuals that accept responsibilities to run an organization. So management is a process of conducting a set of functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling to get the work done in an efficient and effective manner. You can see here definition by Peter Drucker. Management is a multi-purpose organ that manage a business and manages managers and manages workers and work. Also remember the principles of scientific management given by Frederick Taylor. Scientific management is concerned with knowing exactly what you want men to do and then seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. Now please remember principles of scientific management. There are total 4 principles. First one, science, not rule of thumb. According to this principle, scientific investigation should be applied in the scientific management, which will replace the rule of thumb. Taylor had made study of every job and fixed the method and timing for performing the job so that the worker should know that what, when and how is required to perform the job. Taylor had developed the various studies like method study, time study, motion study. We will study in subsequent lectures. Second, harmony, not discord. This principle states that there should be cooperation between management and the workers. In order to achieve the best possible results from the business operations, it is essential that there should be harmonious relationship between the management and the workers. According to this principle, attempts should be made to obtain the harmony in the group action rather than discord. Workers should have sense of belongingness towards the organization. Cooperation, not individualism. In a simple term, the intention is to replace internal competition with cooperation. Fourth principle, development of every person to his or her greatest efficiency and prosperity. In a very simple term, right man is placed on the right job. Now we'll see modern management theories given by Henry Fayol. This could be asked in your UGC-NET examination. The 14 management principles from Henry Fayol. First, division of work, authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, subordination of individual interest, remuneration, the degree of centralization, scalar chain, order, equity, stability of tenure of personnel, initiative, and esprit de corps. Difference between Taylor's theory and Fayol's theory. Please remember this point. Taylor's theory not suitable for all organization, but Fayol's theory suitable for all types of organization. Taylor's theory gives emphasis on employees' efficiency and betterment of tasks and tools. And Fayol's theory emphasizes on betterment of managers and administrators. So that's it for today. This video just only introduction to first unit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for daily updates.